Hello guys. It's already November 24th. It's a Tuesday, and you're watching the Awesome10X live market update. Of course, the market is very, very strong, and I'm just here to share and tell everyone who's watching the show how many Awesome10X testimonials are truly happy making money with us. Just make money while sleeping with Awesome10X. So it's not actually a moniker. The reality is most of our clients are, of course, Filipinos. And for most Filipinos out there, you do know that the US market is at 10 p.m. It's at 10:30 p.m. to about 5 a.m. So it used to be about 9:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Now it's about 10:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. So of course, that is like the sleeping time of most Filipinos. And for those people who are wondering, why is it that Nikki and all the people out there that she has been teaching are making like money? How are they able to do that? So we actually have a show for you later on, inviting all of you 9 p.m. So here, just go to Awesome10X. We have this 9 p.m. show inviting all of you. Wall Street said that money never sleeps. However, Awesome10X sleeps and makes money. Discover how. See you in Awesome10X later, 9 p.m. Philippine time over at YouTube, wherein we interview a lot of our Awesome10X students, and they will share to you what an Awesome10X journey is like. So definitely, if you want proof, what do you call that? Proof on the pudding or whatever that is. So I'm going to show to you, of course, our winners. And you could see that most of our winners are not done by one name. It's actually a slew of winners. We called it the Plants versus Zombies portfolio. We can handle the offense, the defense, the neutral zones, actually. And of course, we find Awesome10X secular trend winners. Switchback, energy acquisitions. And I'm happy to say to some people who are saying that it's becoming my habit to check your tweets every morning, how to reach this sizing. We have some clients that are actually in a position, it's about $20,000 to $40,000. You can imagine that making $30,000 in a single correct name, like owning, say, 500 shares of Disney 126, making $10,000 out of it. That means that you can afford to go on a Disneyland trip with your children. Or how about a $1,000 XPEV move? It's actually now trading at $72, or a $50,000 reward on your Xiaopeng good entry. For the other people who don't know, Xiaopeng is, of course, the Chinese Tesla. It is, of course, you've got a lot of Chinese Teslas, your Xiaopeng Motor, your Neo, your Li. And for us, we chose Xiaopeng. SBE, lakas, diba? Yeah, so XPEV, SBE, charge point. Take a look at what's happened yesterday. Very, very bullish. Let me show to you. And of course, a lot of bullish action even after hours. Take a look at the electric sector. And we have been very bullish on this. We were saying that the Kamala Biden-Harris presidency was going to be very bullish on the clean energy and the solar and the electrics. And that is exactly what happened. This is, guys, just a single day. FCEL, wow, after hours, is already trading 9.75. Can you imagine that our members have FCEL at $2 or a 500% move? Take note, just a look at the performances. Take a look at just one single week. IRO, 170%. Oh, we don't really have IRO. We didn't cover that. FCEL, we did. FCEL, this one says 1 week, 100%, but we have been holding this for quite a while. So FCEL is actually more than 5x move for some of us. So for the year, it's actually 10x for FCEL. RC Moto is a 10x move this year. For most of us, yeah, FCEL and RC Moto were up about 300%. So yeah, either way, can you imagine? Switchback SBE is today gonna open at $37. If you don't believe us, well, yeah, you can actually just check all of our testimonials. And that is not one, that's a lot of people. Okay, so can you imagine? This one is actually a housewife, and she's opening her account. She wakes up tonight. Today, she sees a $15,000 daily PNL. And imagine, she said, grabe talaga. First time, this is also another wife. First time ko mag-up 20 days, up ako ng 20%. 50%, sorry, tinalo pa ng Pinas gains ko. Grabe, a very good morning indeed. We're seeing a lot of portfolios really shine. FCEL, when you call a Spiffy pop, it's up about $3 last night and up another $2 today. It means that our cost is less than 3, guys. We made a spiffy pop already on FCEL. XPeng is also a spiffy pop already. A spiffy pop means that if your cost on Xiaopeng is less than $18 and it's already up $18 in that day, you actually then experience a 33% gain. You experience a 100% gain. That's also true for the switchback SBE. It's actually up something like $10 in a single day. Happened to Nano Dimension. We've got a lot of people sharing. Some people are sharing even on Twitter. So yun, he said that my Shobit just asked for my help to handle her money just 2 months ago, and she got a 118% win for SBE. Hold your winners, Nikki, for president. So Unity, SBE, ChargePoint, Palantir, Gores Metropolis, Desktop Metals. You could see that the reason why most of our portfolios are the same thing is because alagang Awesome10X yan. We care for our members and we help them to help them for their positions. This one is saying that he's up in just 5 weeks, up 40% ang kanyang portfolio. Investing and sleeping, he's a full-time OFW, guys. He's an overseas Filipino workers. Take note, FCEL, ChargePoint, Dada, Nexus, Xiaopeng Motors, Grow Generation, Palantir, Ride, Look, Beyond Meat. We have actually a lot of winners. So actually, we're just holding on. I would love to answer to most of you. I can go on and on about our costs and entries, but I'll tell I can even give you more ideas and more 10x wins, because every day I do give some ideas. I'm not sure if I should share more Awesome10X winners for you, but you could actually just browse our Faces Trader account. I'm gonna check first your questions and then I'll answer. I'll even give you some charts if you have, if you want. Nona is asking, given the very low temperature required to store and transfer the COVID, will there be a US or China listed company that can do this and bet on? Sorry, I wasn't able to note where in Awesome10X where new trends on renewable food packaging in the US was discussed. Okay, so the first answer is that for the first question, I don't know that healthcare, whatever. But on the second question, I do have answers for you on renewable food packaging. I shared it a lot on my Twitter as well, but it's actually the answer for us is Look, Danamer Scientific. This one, we have this, and if you have been watching our show, you would know that we have been buying this at 10:30. Look, so it's now at actually 11:50. We're up partially, but we think it's a 10x move. We actually also see that Smurfit Kappa Group is also a good name. Hi guys, sorry, I got disconnected. So yeah, I'll answer the questions. No, so definitely the most important answer. So for that comment, the answer that we have is Look. So LOAK, Danamer Scientific. So there's a question, will it be profitable to buy and hold Pfizer or Moderna now? We aren't very familiar with healthcare. So the answer for me is no. In fact, if you were really playing Pfizer, you would have been invested in BNTX. You'd have done well already on that. Actually, it's more of a sell-off already for those names. I'm not quite sure, but we never made, well, because I only make my investments on the companies that I have a core competency in. So I'm not like, if I'm not competent in healthcare, I like my entire portfolio doesn't have healthcare. So it's okay. I don't have these names. Hi, Miss Nikki. Is CleanSpark a good buy? Workday fell since earnings report. Is it a good buy today? CleanSpark, we have a buy. We said 750 to 10 was a buy. Yesterday, we still bought at about $10. So if you remember, we said here on Awesome10X, we said that CleanSpark was still a buy. At 11, I'd say that it can go higher, not a problem. It's just that we would have preferred that you were buying at about 7 to 10. Nonetheless, if you're buying, say, a 5% exposure on CleanSpark, yeah, so like 11 to 10 to 9, you buy and then you hold. Okay, for Workday, it fell since earnings. Workday, I'm fine with it. Actually, at $200, I'm okay with it. I haven't read the earnings report of Workday, but definitely most of the money that we have been currently making money from isn't a lot on the SaaS names. So you can see that there's a huge rotation on a lot of not technology names, actually in a lot of tech, clean tech. So that's really more on Biden. So the biggest news, of course, is really the transition team of Biden. And it's actually the reasons why you can see these numbers like FCEL, XPEV, SBE, Green Power Motor, IRO, even the ones that I didn't study, like IRO and GP, these are up like 300% moves. Actually, what I'm interested in, what we bought were some of the names that actually fell down on earnings, but we thought were actually good picks. So New Tech and RC Moto. We kept buying RC Moto even at $16. And New Tech, which is electric e-scooters, still like it even at that level. So Ari Technologies is still buying. Sorry guys, I'm gonna share my screen. Sorry, I forgot that you weren't seeing my screens. So actually, there's a lot of buying opportunities. Take note that in this sector on electrics, we've been picking up the dips on FUV and NIU. So yeah, so like there's a lot of opportunities even on that front. Also tonight, you could see that our cannabis picks are actually starting to already flourish. We have already made a cannabis pick portfolio, right? So we have Grow Generation. True Leave is also a position. We also have Green Thumb, yes. And actually, I think that the weed department are also up 25% after hours. If you recall, we have a buy on Hexo, on Chronos, on some of us bought some Aurora cannabis at the right levels. So it's up like 20% after hours. Take a look, guys. Here, weed. I do usually sector moves. So here, actually take note, Tilray 668 extended after RC 750. Chronos 835. Grow Generation continues to pop higher. YCBD is not something that I studied, but also a cannabis play. CGC, yes, Canopy Growth 2630. For the ETFs, yes, we mentioned the YOLOs, the MJ ETFs. Hexo is something that I personally have. So from 72 cents, it's opening 90 cents. This one, we kept on reiterating buys at 59 cents and 75 cents. So that is really a good move. Aurora Cannabis, good move. From 7, it's opening 20% higher later on. GW Pharma, we made an entry at 110. It's now 124. This is an indoor farming play. Knobs. Actually, all that you have to do to make money while sleeping is simply go to Awesome10X, watch our free Friday classes, and of course, if you are so determined to be rich, like what we do and what we help from people, take note that the testimonials, you are really missing out. You're clearly missing out when you are not part of the Awesome10X. Like, I mean, do you want to do this on your own? Yes, you can watch our channel. Yes, you can watch that. But if you are with us, I'm pretty sure that you are more confident to trigger those buys. Or else, why do you think that our portfolios look like this? 100% move. This is a client portfolio, 100% move. We don't have just one testimonial, guys. We have so many that sometimes I just like probably flood you already with so many testimonials. These are our clients, okay? $6,000 up, $9,000 up, $14,000 up. So it doesn't matter wherever you begin, $1,000 up or even $200,000 in a single day's move, no? But definitely, I want you guys to join and participate Awesome10X because it's really a life-changing. What we're teaching people, what we're teaching Filipinos and non-Filipinos out there is how they can make so much money on global trends. Awesome10X Global Investing Trends. And if you don't believe us, guys, just backtrack all of our videos, whether it's the Philippines or the US, you can see that we are just awesome. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. That's it.